Please welcome to the stage Rural Center Director of Small Business Credit Initiative, Tom Wall, and Rural Center Board Chair, Grant Godwin.
Good morning. First of all, congratulations to Jalen and Donald. That was inspirational. So good for you. Very cool. So I'm Tom Wall, and I lead the Small Business Credit Initiative at the Rural Center. And I'd be remiss if I didn't give a shout out to Damian Smokes, who makes the trains run on time. So Grant and I are pleased to be with you to recognize the Community Bank of the Year for 2019. The Rural Center started a loan participation program in 2012, and through that program we buy participations in loans made to small businesses. We work with about 24 small business lenders, mostly community banks. And through that program, we reduce the bank's or the lender's risk, allowing them to make more loans. Through the life of the program, we have supported over 550 small businesses, over 10,500 jobs, and importantly, leveraged over $500 million in private capital. We couldn't have done that without the collaboration of all these strong partners we have. And today we're excited to recognize one of those very special partners. I'll ask Grant to introduce them.
Thank you, Tom. There are a number of critical elements in the development and maintenance of a vibrant community, one of which is strong small business lending. In that over 3/4 of our small businesses in the state have less than 10 employees, all of which have relatively tight working capital, so that close banking relationships are absolutely vital. And community banks and the Rural Center's loan participation program help bolster that critical business lending activity. I know we have a lot of government people with us. How many small business owners, because a lot of you government folks or elected officials are probably small business owners as well. How many small business owners do we have so a number of you. You folks are the heart and backbone of your community and of this state. And you're not recognized enough and you're not appreciated enough. And just know that you are critical to the community. And the Rural Center is going to do everything that we can to try and help continue to support you and be your voice. This year, we are proud to recognize South State Bank as our 2019 Community Bank of the Year. South State is a southeastern regional bank with 168 branches across 4 states, 17 of which are across North Carolina. South State has been a partner in the Rural Center's loan participation program since mid-2017. During that history together, we've participated in 35 loans, supporting 354 jobs. South State's utilization of the LPP, the loan participation program, has accelerated over the past year as they found it to be such a good fit for their small business lending program, as have other banks that work with us as well. And we look forward to a continued great future with South State and with our other banking partners. Small business is the big business of North Carolina, and we're grateful for our banking partners in supporting entrepreneurship. South State Bank, our 2019 Community Bank of the Year. On behalf of South State, I'd like to recognize Ben Collier, who's accepting the award. Ben is South State's Raleigh Market President. Ben?
Good morning. My name is Ben Collier. I'm the South State Bank Raleigh Market President, and I want to express my sincere appreciation to the NC Rural Center for selecting us as the Rural Community Bank of the Year. For those of you who are not familiar with South State, this is our 85th anniversary. We opened our doors in 1934 as First National Bank in Orangeburg, South Carolina, which is a rural, largely farming community. Since that time, we've been committed to delivering exceptional service and the best financial solutions while investing in the customers and communities that we serve. In our 85 years, we've expanded significantly now, offering consumer banking, commercial banking, mortgage, and wealth solutions across the Carolinas, Georgia, and Virginia. We're incredibly proud that 2019 has brought the expansion of South State from a local loan production office here in the Triangle to 2 full-service branch locations in Raleigh. Although our branches in Raleigh are new, we are not. We have had a presence here for about 7 years, and we're proud to have been able to work with the NC Rural Center for the last few years. As we heard earlier, we've worked together to provide 34 participation loans for a total of $25 million in funding, supporting more than 350 jobs in North Carolina. A significant percentage of these loans were used to finance new facilities for healthcare practices in rural North Carolina, which increased the access to healthcare for the underserved population. At South State, we recognize we're not just bankers. We're also neighbors and friends who contribute to the local economic growth and are proud to play a vital role in Raleigh and in each community that we serve. We are grateful to be working alongside the North Carolina Rural Center to continue to serve the needs of our community, and we are very grateful for this honor. Thank you very much.